Hello guys, we're going to Singapore. Yeah, so you
God's grace, I will love you for the rest.
Yeah, welcome back to my vlog. Yan, kunwari hindi nyo alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero nasa airport kami ngayon. Yeah, guys, I'm in airplane sasakyan. Hello guys, we're going to Singapore. Yeah, we're going to attend the wedding of my sister in November. Yeah, this Saturday. Yeah, this Saturday. It's what they call this is afternoon. Right, it's a 5 p.m. flight. Okay, and then so the sunset is giving. Okay, right, like this. Tulog po ang bata. Kamahay. Yard, yard. So, ito yung pod namin dito sa flight. Hey guys, we just landed here in Singapore. Yeah, second city. So, very nice. How was the flight? Hey guys, we just landed here at yan, hinintay lang namin yung luggage namin and then we're going na. Okay? Hello baby ko, nagpuntang Singapore ang baby ko. Yee! Andito kami sa Singapore. Hi ka sa kanila. Hi mo sila. Hi. Hi. Hi mo. Likot. O, diba guys? Yan, nakuha na namin yung mga luggage namin and then yung mga gamit and then, yan, nandito na kami ngayon. Lalabas na kami ng airport. Ayan. And then, sasalubon kami ng aming ate and then my future kuya. May kuya ko. Ayan, ay kakasal. And then, yan.
Aba, kaway-kaway!
Hello guys, tatik kami MI. Kinabukasan nga ng ating flight ay birthday ng kapatid ko. And then, yeah, we have a simple greeting sa kanya this morning. Ayan. Happy birthday to you! Maligayang bati! Maligayang pagsihan! Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati! Wish! Wish!
Wish kong tumangkad pa mo.
Sana magbalikan sina Lay. Tayo sa Singapore. So guys, tayo, thank you. Yan, nakalabas na kami ng bahay ng aking ate. Ngayon naman ay kami ay gagala. And then lilibutin natin some of the places here in Singapore. Okay. Kakain muna kami. Dito. Ah. And now, guys, nandito kami ngayon sa one of the large poker center here in the Singapore, where you can see here any food hall and you can eat together with your companion. Hello guys, dito sa labas tayo ba? And nasa kabilang table po ang mga tito-tita.
Saan? Oy, idikit-dikit yung kaya yan dito.
Nakaringgit.
Mga vlogger?
Vlog natin yan. Yes, and now guys, we're here at Marina Bay. We are around here in the Esplanade Theater, and where you can see also here the Merlion Park, and then anything about this place. And speaking of night lights, okay, you can see here at night is are the lights we are seeing here. Okay, as you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa pambansang photo bomber ng Singapore, the Merlion. Pinagsama Marine and then Lion. It naging Merlion. Trivia yan, trivia. Parang ang sarap lang mag-reflect dito sa place na to pag pumunta ka dito, diba? And then, yeah. Ha? And ayan guys, natapos na ang ating day 2 dito sa ating mga pinuntahan. And then, yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow sa ating next day. Ah, Liam. It's raining.
Raining nga.
It's raining. Oh, siin ka. Diyan, oh. It's raining.
Sobrang lakas oso. Ha? Ayun yung bak. Liam, what's the play?
So, nakita niyo yan,
Yun ano ba yan?
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's
Guys, it's raining here. Bigay pala ka Rigo. Yan, buti guys, medyo tumila na nung pumunta kami dito. And then, yan. So, saan makita ito ni the mother and then mga kapatid ko. Kasi, yan, it's a once in a lifetime moment to be here.
Meron tayo paliligo ang punta. Naligo. Linaw. Linaw niyan.
Yan, at babalik na kami ngayon sa Bibo City para kumain. Ayan. So, nito kami sa One Republic. Kat?
Lia, what's that?
Alam mo kanyang dad.
Ba, mga mura daw.
Iyan! Mahal na doon. Yan, another day na naman ang natapos, and tomorrow we will be attending the wedding day of my sister. And yes, we're going back home na, and see you again tomorrow. Ganda. Yan na, ito na ang pinakahintay natin. Ang wedding day ng aking ate at kuya. Ayan. They having a photo shoot. Ayan. Some of the sneak peek of their shoot. Yan, ang outfit natin ngayon ay sunflower. Ayan, ganda diba guys? So, wala pa!
Mamaya pa. Mamaya pa yan. Later pa. Masirang makeup. Masirang makeup.
Let us all stand as we welcome our beautiful bride, Nana.
according to God's holy word, to be my lawful husband, and promise from this day on to love, to comfort, to honor, and to stand by you, in sickness or in health, in poverty or in wealth, in sorrow or in joy, forsaking all others, and treasure you with all my heart, by the grace of God, until the Lord Jesus Christ comes again or till death do us part. Before God, I pledge you my faithfulness.
When I was young, I prayed to God to lead me the right person I will be with for the rest of my life. Many seasons passed, and waiting was never easy. But when timing came and finally made it happen, God made it happen for us. God made it clear in my heart, you were the one. In that moment, I knew He had answered my prayer. Through our relationship, we experience and learn more about Christ. We encourage each other and grow together and enjoy our relationship under God's blessing and covering. I am captivated by how you delight in God in so many ways. You are my constant reminder of God's love and faithfulness in my life. As we stand before the Lord today, I promise to love you and to choose you every single day, just as Christ loved us. I promise to be your prayer partner and your prayer warrior, to serve God with you and to go missions with you. I promise as well to build a Christ Center home with you, and on His solid rock we will stand as we journey to every season of our marriage. This may sound weak, and we know we're not perfect, but with Christ at the center of our marriage, I know we will endure. May our marriage glorify Him forever. And by God's grace, I will love you for the rest of my life.
From the moment we met at our church anniversary prayer meeting, I knew God was doing something far beyond what I could see at His divine appointment. You walk into my life quietly, yet courageously, asking my mobile number, and God used you very loudly to teach me joy, patience, and a love that reflects Christ. Today, before God and people we love, I choose you, my answered prayer. I love you with all the love of Jesus Christ. I love you, Pet.
Join together, let no one separate. Beloved, you may now kiss the bride.
yeah, lastly, before with this day, and I just want to congratulate the newlywed, my sister, and then Kuya Japet, and yeah, may you have a prosperous life, a happy life ahead of both of you together. Okay guys, ayan. So, napakasaya ng wedding kahapon. And then the next day, gonna enjoy this moment because on the next day then, Monday, I'm going to travel again back to our country, Philippines. Let's go, let's enjoy this moment.
Lights off, pause and in 3, 2, 1.
Yan.
Magkalayo. Kala mo'y magkalayo.
Kala mo nawala.
Kala mo'y nawala.
Ay, mama naman. Ayan, another day na naman ang natapos ngayong araw, and tomorrow we're gonna prepare na sa aking flight.
Yunus.
Sibong complex. And then, hindi natapos yung vlog ko. Walang nangyari. Haha guys, upon viewing my videos here, may nangyari naman pala sa ating vlog. So, hindi lang siya fully prepared. Basta I shoot and then go na. Yan. Oh, naging Singaporean na ang kapatid ko. Oh. Ang cute ng departure area nila, guys. Oh, parang may mga view ka pa din makikita. Like this one. Hindi ba ang ganda niya? Parang nature. Oh guys, uwi na tayo ngayon and hindi natapos yung vlog ko. Ang carpet for the carpet is the aesthetic. Very pretty, right? So bye-bye na Singapore. See you again next time here. Ayan, tatanong guys, I've been here many times na din sa Singapore because of my sister. Ayan, we're going back na sa Philippines. Thank you for watching. See you again to my next vlog. Bye-bye.